we're here at Springbrook National Park.
Going to probably the furthest court away. I don't know how many people know about this one.
This is a national park basketball court.
It's right next to Springbrook.
There it is.
What?
That, right there. This is it. This is it. 1906 is 100 years to 2006, and that is why it is called Centenary Park, because this is 100 years old. This is Springbrook. There should be a basketball court here. Look, Matt's got an entire sheet of where all the courts are. I know I pushed this. But where is it? A little bit up. And look again. Still can't see anything. If you go one tap here, on. Like you can't see it now. Now you're like, where's the basketball court? One tap back, you can see it, right? One tap forward? No. So if I didn't look at this long enough, it sort of landed right there. This is the only shot you can get on Google Maps. There's a backboard. If there was a tree there, we wouldn't be here right now. That's it. I'm not sure if they would say this is a secret court, but it's definitely not a well-documented court. This is where multiple amazing Gold Coast waterfalls pound through down to earth. They have a tennis court, they have a skate park, actually a pretty good skate park for skaters. There's no beehives and really good toilets, and they're not dump tank toilets. Falls is right next door. Okay, we're gonna do 2 ratings.
This court automatically, being a half court with proper lines on a nice surface, full backboard, picture and net, automatically hits a 5.
Ooh!
Now, a few things I think will take it above the 5. Unique location.
Here's the uniqueness, give it a whole point.
One more point because of Springbrook. The trees, birds.
Are you feeling relaxed? You just breathe it in now. I breathe in my bug spray.
It's a 7.5.
Could you go stand on the 3-point line, please? These look awesome! It's nice to see the struggle doing that.
It was easier when we were parked. Benogan, it just has a key.
Is it smaller than the Benoa one?
A very small basketball court.
This is the entire court. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
That's our next location.
Well, we're going to all the courts, no matter how bad. Oh my goodness, it's even worse.
Oh yes, yeah, prepare the mind.
It's worse than the other court. The mind's prepared. Oh my goodness.
Like this.